Good afternoon, geographers, and I'm coming to you live here from Rockville, Maryland. Actually, my street, where you'll see behind me that there's a little blue sign on a telephone pole that's announcing the National Night Out, which is tonight. And if you haven't heard of National Night Out, it is a community police collaboration that is designed, actually it started back in 1984, to get community members and police and law enforcement together for safety and community engagement and awareness. And it's been going on ever since I've lived here for the past like 15 years, but it is really an excuse for a block party. So the police come out and they have barricades. It's all legal to set those up, and they block the street, and everybody brings food and beverages, including alcoholic beverages, and we just kind of have a street party for like from about 7 to 10. And it's just a lot of fun. You get to see your neighbors that you sometimes just see in passing, but you don't really spend the time to get to talk to them. You meet new people that are either from the neighborhood, or maybe they just stopped by from a different neighborhood. It's just a lot of fun, and of course the whole premise is safety. So if you haven't ever heard of that, or if you're interested in maybe getting it together in your own community, I would go to natw.org and check it out. And I think you can apply there. And yeah, I think it's a great idea. Rockville has several of them, and it's just a lot of fun. And it goes to show you there's a lot of stuff going on in your own neighborhood and your own backyard, just like I said yesterday, that that you may not have even been aware of. So if you don't have a party in your neighborhood, go find another neighborhood. You can totally crash the party, it's okay. So with that, I'll let you go and have a great afternoon. Goodbye.